Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing air fryer roasted vegetables, ideal as a healthy quick meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. The vegetables I'm using are half of a medium-sized cauliflower cut into small florets like this, half of a green capsicum, one medium-sized onion diced, 10 to 12 green beans sliced into 1-inch pieces like this, 2 medium-sized carrots sliced, half of a medium-sized broccoli which I have cut into small florets like this, half of a red capsicum chopped. Into a bowl, I'm adding in all the vegetables. Now instead of the vegetables I'm using, you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use zucchini or any vegetable you have at hand. 1 teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon wood pressed oil of your choice. I'm using wood pressed groundnut oil. With my hand I'm mixing all this really well. Okay, now the vegetables are nicely mixed and coated with the masalas. Grease or spray the air fryer basket with the oil of your choice. Spread the marinated vegetables onto the basket. Air fry the vegetables until they are roasted. Details of air fryer cooking time and ingredients list will be updated in the description box below this video. And once the time is over, the vegetables are nicely roasted and is ready to serve. You can transfer this to a plate and enjoy. So guys, do try this healthy roasted vegetables and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.